okay, let's look at the world around us. So till now we are seeing that yes, now there are precise laws in matter. If you look at the world around us, we see that yes, there are regulations, there are laws which regulate our day-to-day lives. The college starts at a particular timing. When the semester opens, the professor tells us, okay, this is now the professor gives us a schedule that your mid-semester and semester examinations are going to take this time. So there are rules, there are laws. Our day-to-day lives, follow the laws. The question is, who made this law? Just like the law of the school is made by the principal. So there is law of traffic. In India, it says keep left. In America, it says keep right. That's the law. Who makes a law? The government. The traffic police. The traffic department. So here we are talking about cricket. Suppose a game like cricket, which is so interesting and so captivating. Now just imagine a game of cricket without, just imagine a game of cricket without any laws. There are no stumps, no wickets. Nobody knows how a person will get out. There are no boundaries. Nobody knows which is a sixer. I mean, there is no pitch. So nobody knows how much one has to run to make a run. How many of us will enjoy that kind of a cricket? It'll be a complete mess, is it not? It'll be a complete Brownian motion happening, people roaming, people dashing from one corner to the other corner. Instead of being a game called cricket, it may become very much like the scene we may see on a railway station sometimes, where people dashing here, there, everywhere. Nobody knows what is it one needs to tune to, what is it one needs to adhere to. So enjoyment comes, or we can say that we start relishing. It becomes adventure thrilling when there are laws and everyone adheres to those laws. Then you can see there are protocols. You can feel the adventure in sport. But without the laws, there is no sport. It's all randomness. It's all Brownian motion. It's all chaos. So we see that matter is following laws. This is periodic table. No, it is not called as periodic chance. We see matter follows laws. There are laws of physics. There are laws of chemistry. Matter follows laws. In fact, now if you want to ponder over, we can ask a question. Like say, for example, we are seeing that okay, the law of gravity. The question is the law of gravity Newton's law, or Newton just happened to discover it? Had the apple not fallen, it would not have been Newton. It would have been somebody else who would have discovered the laws. It's God's laws, actually. Therefore, Srila Prabhupada many times would say that give God the Nobel Prize. It's God's laws. God has made these laws. In fact, if our electronics and mechanics do not follow laws, none of us will have jobs. Because it follows some laws, there are some formulae, we can apply those formulae, we can get some results, we get some salary, we have some work. If everything is completely random, then it will be a very precarious disposition. The macro world follows laws, we saw. Similarly, we can understand that we are also governed by laws, and laws means a lawmaker. Matter follows laws. Our day-to-day lives we can see laws. We are completely controlled by laws, and laws point out to a lawmaker. We can see in this world, some people are beautiful, handsome, some not so handsome, some rich, some not so rich. Somebody is an MD doctor, another person is a laborer. The question is, who decides? We can choose our education, We can choose our job, we can choose a partner, spouse, one can choose what car one has to purchase, but there are many things in life which one cannot choose. We can choose an apartment, that's fine, but we don't choose many things. First, our parents. We don't choose, we just happen to open our eyes and we say, okay, this is where we are, and this is how we have to learn. Uh, what's life all about? So that's the whole point. So we don't choose. Uh, we don't choose our parents like that. Like I happen to fall in a family where they were all engineers. I had such a taste for biology, but whenever I would speak biology, psychology, people would look at me as if, "Ah, what an ugly thing is about. Ah, we are all engineers, so we don't choose our parents. You know? So our face cut, we don't choose our face cut. It's the way it is, the way it is. Like one time, an actress, she did her nose was not was having a typical bend, which her fans were not liking very much. She did 12 operations, but then still her nose was very much like that same. And her fans said it doesn't change much. So we can't change our face cut. We don't choose our intelligence as well. Some people work so hard but don't get good results. Some people not no, don't work hard at all, but they happen to land up with good scores. We don't choose our intelligence. The question is who chooses and on what basis? And on what basis? So none of these are random events. Our lives are decided by God. God chooses. And what is the basis? The basis is called as the law of karma.